My former minister, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, in absentia, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Chairman, Board of Governors, Professor Karandikar, Director of IIT Kanpur, Professor Kundu, Professor Ganesh, Professor Jayant Singh, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen. One of the greatest honor that one can aspire for is to receive an award from one's alma mater. However, there is a flip side to it. More importantly, it casts a very heavy responsibility on the recipient. That is to live up to the trust and faith of the jury and the alumnus who nominated me. At the outset, I would like to dedicate this award to my late parents who believed in the power of education above everything else. To my teachers whose mentoring was a beacon of hope as I muddled through a career in public service. My colleagues in the civil service who were participants in this cooperative endeavor, the sine qua non of public administration, and my family which stood steadfast by me during the ups and downs of my careers, thereby giving me the freedom to treat success and failure as ephemeral, or as Rudyard Kipling would put it, as imposters. I am grateful for the kind words said about me. I'm not certain whether I deserve them. All that I'm sure is that my late father would have winked at them, having graduated from the Thompson College of Engineering before the 1950s. My spouse would be wondering, if she's watching it, whether they are about the same man whom she got married to. Only my late mother would have believed every word of what was said. I don't want to talk about what I did. Our lives are open books. There's enough on internet about our deeds, misdeeds, what we could have done, what we couldn't have done. I stand before you to tell you what IIT Kanpur did to me. As Professor Deshpande used to say, IIT Kanpur education trains your mind. First and foremost, it embeds in you the algorithm for solving problems. Having an open and questioning mind, ability to tide over adversity, and the need for adaptive solutions to tackle uncertainty are some of the lessons which remained with me long after I'd forgotten what I'd been taught. What do I take back? That the battles of life are won and lost in the minds of men. IIT Kanpur education is all about pursuit of excellence. This requires rewarding the best and those who contribute to improving the existing state of affairs. It is not about which position one occupies, but what one does in that position. It is on this campus that it became crystal clear that people value fairness very dearly. They accept unpleasant outcomes. For example, we accepted our grades if they believe that the process to arrive at that outcome was fair and transparent. It is here that I learnt the importance of the spoken word. why keeping your word was of consequence, how it built your reputation, and reputation once spawned is never redeemed. To quote an Urdu couplet, मैं इसे अपनी शोहरत कहूँ या रुसवाई, मुझसे पहले उस गली में मेरे अफसाने आए. I mean, my reputation precedes before I even enter any place. I would be less than honest if I do not mention what I could have learnt on the campus better. And that is how to relate to people. At our Silver Jubilee reunion, boys would be boys. Late in the night, after whatever state of mind we were, the question arose, why do some batchmates do better in life than others? And the final answer was how you relate to people. Importance of social mindfulness, the value of emotional quotient. My parting advice is that be kind to people. They remember how you treated them. You will meet them as you descend from the pinnacle of your career. I would recite another Urdu couplet, which I learnt during these days, which best exemplifies the traits of a leader and which has been my constant companion. It's been repeated very often. It goes like this. तू इधर उधर की बात न कर, यह बता कि काफिला क्यों लुटा. मुझे रहजनों से गिला नहीं, तेरी रहबरी का सवाल है. So finally a question of your leadership. I would like to conclude with a quote from the Upanishads. You are what your deepest desire is. As is your desire, so is your intention. As is your intention, so is your will. As is your will, so is your deed. As is your deed, so is your destiny. God bless. Happy Dhanteras and Deepavali. Jai Hind.